but I'll let you in on a secret. There's a single leaf that can naturally combat diabetes, lower bad cholesterol, and burn away persistent belly fat, all simultaneously. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But bear with me for just a couple of minutes, because what you're about to learn could change your life forever. No costly pills, no fad diets, no complex treatments, just nature itself, working behind the scenes in your best interest. Today, we're taking a closer look at one amazing leaf that's been changing lives for decades. And if you're older than 60 and fed up with fighting blood sugar swings, mounting cholesterol levels, or that nagging belly bulge, this may be the most vital video you see all week. Science now verifies this leaf is filled with natural substances that rev up your metabolism, guard your heart, soothe inflammation, and even cause your body to burn fat. Yes, even when you're sleeping. And that's just the start. Before I unveil the #1 most potent leaf, I'll also introduce you to several other common leaves you may already have in your kitchen or yard, each with astonishing advantages for your digestion, circulation, energy, and even your cravings. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever utilized herbal leaves for your well-being. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Daily Health, where we share you science-supported, natural living advice each and every week. All right, ready to make that first step towards a lighter, healthier you? Let's start with a leaf you've likely drunk without even knowing just how strong it is. Peppermint. A lot more than just a refreshing, cool taste in your tea. You might be surprised to know that peppermint actually speeds up your metabolism, even if you're not moving around at all. That means your body automatically burns more calories, which is particularly beneficial since metabolism slows down with age. But that's not all that peppermint has to offer. It calms digestion, relaxes bloating, and aids your body in ridding itself of excess water, so long, heavy, bloated belly sensation. Research also indicates peppermint can aid in regulating blood sugar, lower post-meal blood sugar levels, and keep those pesky cravings for sweets under wraps. It even maintains healthy hearts by decreasing bad cholesterol, LDL, increasing good cholesterol, HDL, and guarding against artery clogging. Just one hot, comforting cup of peppermint tea a day can do magic. Have you ever tried it? Let your favorite peppermint recipe fall in the comments. Now, let's move from something familiar to a little-known gem that deserves a spot on your plate. Orus leaf. A name you might not have heard before, but one you'll want to remember. This humble green is packed with plant protein and fiber, the ideal combination to make you feel satisfied, reduce cravings, and keep your blood sugar stabilized after meals. That's particularly crucial if you have diabetes or want to steer clear of those energy-sapping sugar plunges. The fiber in orus leaf also serves to remove excess cholesterol, aid digestion, and move bowels freely. And it's a subtle inflammation battler, quietly getting the job done to keep your metabolism humming along. Use it in soups or stir-fries for added nutrition. From obscure to ancient wisdom, let's discuss a timeless healing herb, sage, the ancient leaf with today's health superpowers. If you're struggling with belly fat, high blood sugar, or rising cholesterol, sage might become your new best friend. It's naturally anti-inflammatory, calming your body from the inside out. And since chronic inflammation is linked to weight gain, insulin resistance, and heart issues, this makes sage a silent hero. It also helps regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and protect your heart by lowering LDL and raising HDL. Enjoy it in cooking or as a soothing tea, and let me know in the comments if sage is already part of your kitchen. Now for a sacred leaf that's earned the title Queen of Herbs, Holy Basil, not your everyday basil, used for generations. In traditional medicine, holy basil steadies blood sugar, soothes inflammation, and reduces bad cholesterol, all while boosting circulation. It's also a mild detoxifier, your body's aid in flushing out excess water and poisons, leaving you feeling lighter and more energetic. Enjoy it as a scented tea or use it in cooking for flavor and health. Next up, a popular pizza herb with uses that extend far, far beyond the table to help regulate blood sugar and reduce your waistline. You won't want to miss this one. We've had some incredible health-promoting leaves so far, but believe me, things are just heating up. The next one may shock you because you've likely sprinkled it over pizza, unaware of just how remarkable it is. Oregano. It's more than a pizza topping. This aromatic herb is packed with antioxidants that battle inflammation and protect your cells from harm, particularly the type associated with diabetes, high cholesterol, and that pesky belly fat. Its natural ingredients enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to metabolize sugar effortlessly and steer clear of those energy-sucking spikes. Fewer cravings, more consistent energy, and a metabolism that's on your side. And an extra bonus, oregano also balances cholesterol by reducing the bad LDL and increasing the good HDL and defending your arteries and heart. Sprinkle it on soups, salads, or roasted vegetables for a simple health boost. How do you prefer to use oregano? Share in the comments. From a pizza garnish to a refrigerator staple that functions like nature's own water tablet. Parsley, plain in form, potent in function. This green leaf is one of the greatest natural diuretics, forcing excess sodium, water, and toxins out of your system. The payoff? Lower belly bloating, less pressure on your kidneys, and a healthier heart. Parsley also enhances insulin response, stabilizing blood sugar and energy levels. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as potassium and iron, making it a nutritional superstar. Mix it in salads, smoothies, or fresh juices, and notice the difference. Do you already incorporate parsley into your dishes? Post your favorite recipe in the comments below. Now for another leaf that calms your mind while slimming your waistline. Lemon balm, the soothing, fat-burning leaf. Legendary for its calming aroma, lemon balm is also a miracle worker for your blood sugar, enhancing insulin effectiveness. That makes it a soft but potent partner in controlling or avoiding diabetes. It also fights inflammation, one of the sneaky culprits behind belly fat, cholesterol issues, and heart disease. Stressed out? Lemon balm lowers cortisol, the hormone that makes you want to store fat, particularly in your midsection. It also supports good blood pressure, circulation, and digestion. Drink lemon balm tea at night and relax with its soothing benefits. Have you ever tried it? Share in the comments. Now let's clean up with a cozy flavor that works behind the scenes for your well-being. Mint, invigorating flavor, strong benefits. Mint calms digestion, eases gas and bloating, and assists your body with fat breakdown. It leaves a gentle diuretic influence, assisting you in losing extra fluid and sodium, ideal for depuffing and deflating around the waist. It also supports blood sugar balance by improving insulin sensitivity, keeping sugar spikes at bay, and energy levels steady. On top of that, its antioxidants help maintain healthy cholesterol and protect heart function. Drop a few mint leaves in your water, salads, or smoothies for a refreshing boost. What's your favorite way to enjoy mint? Let's move to a fragrant, kitchen favorite that quietly protects your heart and waistline. Basil, flavor with a purpose. This fragrant leaf does more than add incredible taste to pasta. Basil enhances the way your cells use insulin, maintaining blood sugar balance and energy levels high. It also curbs inflammation, the underlying cause of many long-term problems, such as weight gain, high cholesterol, and heart disease. By lowering LDL and raising HDL, basil keeps your arteries clean and your heart strong. Plus, it can help balance cortisol, making it easier to manage stress, cravings, and weight. Whether fresh in salads or brewed into tea, basil is a leaf worth keeping on hand. And now, we're going to reveal one of nature's most underappreciated detox superstars, a weed you've likely attempted to yank from your lawn. But after learning what it can do for your liver, kidneys, and waistline, you may find yourself cultivating it on purpose. We've explored fragrant herbs and refreshing greens, But now it's time to uncover a yard weed with serious healing powers, one that might be growing just a few steps from your door. Dandelion, the liver's best friend. Much more than a weed, dandelion is an extraordinary detox green that nourishes one of your body's workhorse organs, the liver. And as your liver has a central function in the way your body metabolizes fat, sugar, and toxins, keeping your liver healthy translates to faster metabolism and effortless fat loss, particularly in the belly area. Dandelion functions as a natural diuretic, purging excess water and sodium so you feel lighter and less puffy. It enhances insulin sensitivity, maintaining blood sugar stable, and reduces bad LDL cholesterol, as well as soothing inflammation in your digestive tract and vessels. Use it as a tea or toss the greens onto a salad, and you may become smitten with this underappreciated superleaf. From a lowly weed, let's go to an aromatic herb that not only smells incredible, but actually causes your body to burn fat at a quicker rate. Rosemary, the scented fat burner. Aside from its culinary appeal, rosemary enhances insulin sensitivity, which enables your body to metabolize sugar more effectively, less fat storage, and less energy crash. It also maintains healthy circulation, prevents artery blockage, and reduces LDL cholesterol for a healthier heart. Here's the truly thrilling news. Rosemary stimulates mitochondrial activity, those small power plants within your cells, to burn more fat for fuel. Combine its natural anti-inflammatory and soothing detox effects, and you have a herb that works for you on several levels. In roasts, soups, or teas, rosemary is a metabolism-friendly leaf you should use frequently. Our second leaf is derived from a creamy fruit you likely love, but today, we're discussing its secret ingredient, avocado leaf, a secret health powerhouse. This lesser-known leaf is one of the most potent anti-inflammatory greens, shielding your heart, liver, and kidneys. It makes insulin work better, allowing your body to store less sugar as fat and maintain a stable energy level. Better yet, it actively breaks down fat in the liver, something that's often silent but can become perilous as we get older. Avocado leaves also help lower LDL, raise HDL, and act as a natural diuretic, reducing swelling and flushing out toxins. Brew them into tea, and you'll discover why this is one of the best-kept secrets in natural health. From creamy to tropical, let's talk about a fragrant leaf with impressive blood sugar and fat-burning benefits. Mango leaf. Sweet scent. Serious results. Packed with antioxidants, mango leaves regulate insulin levels, stopping spikes and crashes of sugar. That translates to more consistent energy and fewer fats around your waistline. They also reduce LDL cholesterol, shield your arteries from plaque accumulation, and even trigger enzymes that convert stored fat into burnable energy. With mild detox and anti-inflammatory actions, mango leaves are a natural metabolism booster that you can have in tea form. Have you ever tried it? Then we'll highlight a common cooking leaf with surprising digestive and cardiovascular benefits. Bay leaf, the digestion and heart helper. Bay leaves enhance digestion by increasing digestive enzymes, resulting in less bloating and fat accumulation after eating. They increase insulin sensitivity, balance blood sugar levels, and preserve heart health by reducing LDL and enhancing circulation. Besides, their mild diuretic effect aids in the release of excess water, lessening belly bloating. Whether you simmer them in soups or stews, bay leaves are an easy way to bring flavor and health to your dishes. Now let's discuss one of the most holistic metabolism-supporting leaves out there. Mulberry leaf, the triple-action metabolic booster. Perfect for anyone managing diabetes or cholesterol, mulberry leaves improve insulin sensitivity, reduce sugar spikes, and cut down on fat storage. They strengthen blood vessels, lower LDL, raise HDL, and enhance circulation, keeping your heart protected. On top of that, they boost fat burning, especially belly fat, and fight inflammation, helping your metabolism work at its best. This is One leaf you'll want to keep in your health toolkit. Coming up next, we'll finish strong with an empowering summary and the final tip for maximizing the potential of these amazing leaves. Stick around until the end. You can indulge in mulberry leaf as a calming tea or in supplement form. It's easy, safe, and amazingly potent. Have you ever had mulberry leaf tea? Let us know about it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story, but don't go anywhere yet, because up next is the most powerful leaf of them all, one that could truly transform your health from the inside out. If you're looking for a natural way to tackle diabetes, high cholesterol, and even stubborn belly fat, olive leaf is in a league of its own. Loaded with an incredible compound known as oleuropein, it stabilizes blood sugar, increases insulin sensitivity, and avoids those ugly spikes of sugar that result in fat storage, particularly in the belly area, and that's just the beginning. Olive leaf reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, increases HDL, good cholesterol, and protects your arteries from blockage, lowering the risk of stroke and heart attack. Even better, it stimulates fat-burning enzymes and lowers liver fat, providing your metabolism with the full-body backup it needs. So tell me, do you already use olive leaf extract or drink it as a tea? Post your answer below. Your tip could just encourage someone else watching right now. Nature has a knack for presenting us with simple but life-altering solutions. Peppermint to olive leaf, every one of these healing leaves brings some magic to the table, be it balancing blood sugar, reducing cholesterol, soothing inflammation, or finally getting that pesky belly fat to budge. The good news? Most of them won't break the bank, aren't hard to get, and are also kind to the body. No need for fancy pills or complicated regimes. Just a hot cup of tea or a sprinkle of fresh herbs over your meal. If any of these leaves are already part of your daily routine, let me know in the comments. And if you're trying one for the first time after watching this, I'd love to hear your results. If you've benefited from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Daily Health, and join our community where we share easy, natural tips to make you feel stronger, lighter, and more in charge of your health every day. Stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video.